Yahoo! Prof here, and today we've got something. I think that's better now that I've got dual lights here. We've got something for Pokemon pulls, and that is the Battle Styles Collector's Chest, I believe they call it. Yeah. We got, I don't even know if this has been in focus the whole time. There you go. Collector's Chest. So it's the lunchbox tin, basically. And here we've got 5 boosters, 2 promo cards, 2 coins, sticker sheets, mini portfolio, notepad, and an online code card. So I actually managed to pick this up at Walmart because our Walmart started limiting it to one item, like one Pokemon trading card item, or actually any trading cards, because apparently everything is going crazy, except for like Yu-Gi-Oh! Basically. He's going pretty crazy. So it's one item per person per day. So, and they actually had stuff in stock like this collector's chest here. So let's get cracking into this. Alright, let's get this guy cracked open here. I saw something online that this technically didn't include any Battle Styles packs. Now on the front it shows it including 2. So maybe what they meant is that it didn't include all Battle Styles packs, but from opening these collector's chests before, I don't think I've had a single one have all of, like one type of pack. There's that, 2 foil cards, 5 boosters, I already showed you that side. We got our lunchbox here. Oh, our coins have dislodged themselves a little bit here. I should have brand new black. Oh, somewhere around here I have new yellow ones too. I got more yellow in. There we go. There's one of them. And then here is the second one. That thing's super holographic. I think it's one of each of one of the Punchy Punch guy and one of the Kiki Kick guy. To protect these, let's grab ourselves. I use these black sleeves because even though they're not any cheaper, really, in some cases they're actually more expensive than the other ones, but then we can use those protected because they're easy to get. At least they can just run over to Walmart. Alright, and then in here they also have the 2 promo cards. You got a Shinx and a Tepig. Rapid Strike, Single Strike. It's important even on these base ones because like there'll be cards I saw that say like discard Rapid Strike, discard. So promo cards from this, I'll label those as such. Then we have our boosters here. The code cards on one side. So we've got Battle Styles, Sword and Shield, and Sun and Moon, followed with Battle Styles and an Upside Down Vivid Voltage. So those are like kind of, these are Battle Styles is a sub pack. Vivid Voltage is technically a sub pack, but it's the other most recent one of the more recent ones. I actually like Vivid Voltage, probably more than Shine Crates. Sword and Shield and Sun and Moon are just kind of like the base, more base set. And then technically, according to this is Collector's Chest, Tepig, and Shinx. And I think it's technically spring of 2021 is what the, because I think that's what they consider them, like collector's chest spring 2021 is generally what they, or you know. Alright, and here is the rest of the tin. So what we have here is sticker packs that they're talking about. These will probably eventually go to my half brother. And the big stickers, or Shifu, I believe it is, and a notepad. Some of them even had pencils. And in the very bottom is something that I do generally use every now and then, and these are these little portfolio 60 card trading card binder things. Alright, so onto the pulls. Let's try it. This is just with the lights that are kind of facing here where I'm pulling. Here's what it looks like with the top light on that aims down. I think it's, let me know from you guys who have watched some of these before if it's actually easier to see the cards like this. We're probably running, for those who know cameras, we're about 320 to 400 ISO from this view since I've got the two lights now. With the top one on, we're actually down to 125, and it would really like to go lower. It actually can't on the RX0. The 125 is as low as it goes. Oh, and we tore it already. Alright, we got a white back. I don't remember if that means anything for Battle Styles, because it did not mean anything for Shining Fates. So, white back, that's actually a little bent. If you guys do want any of my code cards, including the one for the whole chest itself, hit me at the Prophecist on Twitter. Let me know which video you watched or which code card you want, and I'll send it off. Be aware, in order for me to DM you, you do have to be following me. Can't send DMs generally. Otherwise, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do electric. Oh, and I saw something peeking back there. I cheated a little bit, I think, accidentally. Buffalant, Burn of Vitality, Spupa, Mindfu, Silicobra, Galarian Mr. Mime, Bellsprout. That's a very classic Bellsprout. Reminds me of the OG. Onyx, Baltoy, Reverse Hollow, and Corviknight VMAX. Yeah, that's a pretty good pull, I'd say. Let's get these guys sleeved up. You know, since we have new yellows, I can start sleeving everything with yellows again. So I managed to get another pack of them as I knock over Corviknight VMAX. That's a pretty fancy pull there. Alright, we're going to go with our second Battle Styles pack here. Got a green back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass. Oh, dude, I'm a freaking roll there. Rapid Strike Energy. EXP Share. Carcoal. Galarian Mr. Mime. Formantis. That's a pretty good looking Spearow, actually. Zubat. Oh, dude, we got our... He's just hugging his little club there. On the Cubone. Tower of Waters. And a Salazzle rare non-hollow. Alright. Next up, one of my more favorite recent packs, Vivid Voltage. We're still working on that fat Pikachu. I'm rather tired tonight, even though it's the weekend. Don't know why. Guess it's a greenback, yep. I think that matters for Vivid Voltage. Online card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire? Oh, fighting. It is still 4 though. Memory capsule. Gira Furry. I don't think I pulled this. You guys can tell me if I'm wrong. But I feel like even though I pulled all those Pikachu boxes, I don't remember having Girafarig. Or Electric. Wait, no, that was Shining Fates for all those Pikachu ones. Okay, yeah, never mind. That makes sense then. Joltik. I haven't pulled a lot of Vivid Voltage. Sandile. Seedot. Picky-Peck. Mudbray. Whoa. There we go. Even though we got a greenback, we pulled a freaking Rainbow Splat and Rayquaza. And a Vaporeon, which I think these should really have proper hollows. Like, there's a bunch of really good EV evolutions in this. With great art that deserve having hollows. They might. I've just never seen one, not just a plain old rare. Alright, we got standard Sword and Shield here. We've opened plenty of these. Alright, that opened nice and clean. Let's take a... Oh, there we go. Nice big pull of that. This looks like it was a greenback based on the reflection there that I saw. All done. And 1, 2, 3. We'll do 4. Fire. Electric. Okay. Hitmonlee. Salazzle. Metal Saucer. Muna. Snom. Just pulled a shiny Snom the other day. That was a good day. Grookey. Shelder. Mawile. I don't remember seeing that one at all. Galarian Meowth Reverse Hollow. And a Galarian Rapidash. That reminds me of My Little Pony. I remember that. Rare non-hollow. Pretty sure I already have this Galarian Meowth. It's a common as well. And last up in today's Pokemon pull, we have the standard Sun and Moon. Haven't opened one of these in a while. I've got, you know, Crimson Invasion, all those sub packs. I mean, all of them, but, you know, pull those pretty often. Standard Sun and Moon, though, not so much. Standard Greenback here. Don't know if that matters for Sun and Moon, because I don't know the thing. We're going to do 3. 4? It's 4, I guess, with Sun and Moon as well. Yeah, we gotta go older than that for... There we go. Grass Energy. Okay, we got Toracat. Standard Potion. Trumbeak. Jupiter. Mariani, I believe. Stuffle. Togedemaru. Alolan Grimer with his yellow lip there. And Crabomble. Crabrawler is what he's evolved from. And a Masquerain. Had no idea Masquerain was a rare. Got so many Masquerains. Maybe, and that art looks very similar to some newer ones. Crabominable. Interesting. Well, let's go over what we pulled. Alright, so here's what we got. We've got the Tepig Single Strike Hot Promo Hollow. I don't know if you can see, there's like little dots in there. It is definitely curved, as is these Shinx Rapid Strike, because they weren't held with that back piece on every edge. They're just kind of snapped in. So that's a nice Shinx Rapid Strike there. Baltoy Reverse Hollow, followed by the pull of this tin collector's box thing. Corviknight VMAX. Boo, 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 boo. Winner, winner. Nice pull there. Tower of Waters Reverse Hollow. Then we have I call it like the Rainbow Splat. Rayquaza. That's really cool. From Vivid Voltage. I really like those. I might already have this one though. Galarian Meowth Reverse Hollow, boo. And then Reverse Hollow Crabomble. I can't say that right. I'm tongue-tied. But yeah, let me know what you think. What you think of the promo cards that came in here and my pulls. Corviknight and Rayquaza. I just really like how that Rayquaza looks there. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one. You know, like it if you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Subscribe to see future videos, and you know, hit that little notification bell. You can always follow the channel too at Tech Exchange though over on Twitter and Instagram to get notified that way. And over on Tech Exchange Twitter, we do have a link for our Discord if you do want to join, chat some of this stuff. Tech, mice, Pokemans, you know, it's a pretty small community, and you know, if you join, we would be really happy to see you there. See you in the next one.